Good morning, children. Today's date is 10th of November and the year is 2021. Today's day is Wednesday, and in our numeracy class we'll be revising counting. Yes, forward counting of numbers from 1 to 12 and backward counting from 12 to 1, and we'll be also learning to write missing numbers. Yes, in between 1 to 12. Start with forward counting, starting from number 1, okay, and stopping at 12. So the beginning number is 1. Let's start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, that was forward counting. Yes, so we started from 1, and as we were counting forward, our numbers kept on getting bigger. They kept on getting more and more. Now let's start backward counting. Okay, so we start from number 12 now, and we'll go back and stop at 1. So let's start from 12 now, and we're going to do backward counting. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, now as we were going backward, starting from 12, what was happening to our numbers? Our numbers kept on getting smaller. They kept on getting lesser and lesser. Yes? So this was forward counting from 1 to 12 and backward counting from 12 to 1. Now I want you to become expert in forward counting and backward counting. Yes? Between 1 and 12. And then you have to be able to count from any given number. If I tell you to count forward from 5, you should start counting from 5 and not start from 1. Yes, forward counting from 5 to 12, you start from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same way, backward counting from 12 to 5, you stop at 5. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, now it seems a little difficult, but once you know your forward counting and backward counting very nicely, this will become very easy for you. Children, we know how to write numbers from 1 to 12. Yes, and we also know how to count them, forward as well as backward. So now let's fill in the missing numbers here in the sheet. Yes, let's take the first one. So these are some water droplets. Yes, and there are some numbers missing in between. You have to fill in the missing numbers here. Okay, so what's the first number in the first droplet? It is 1. What should be the next one? What is the number after 1? 2. The number after 2, that's missing again, is 3. Number after 3, 4. It's already there. After 4, again the number is missing. What should I write? After 4, which is the number? 5. The number after 5, 6. Yes, so I have filled in the missing numbers. Let's try the next one. Okay, now number is 5. You start counting from 5 now. Don't start from 1. So 5. Now what's the number after 5? 6. Number after 6 is missing again. What's the number after 6? 7. After 7? 8. That's given. After 8, the number is missing. What's the number after 8? 8, 9. After 9, 10. 1 and 0 makes 10. Yes, let's do the next one. Just in the similar way. Starting number is 7. So you start counting from 7 now. 7. What's the number after 7? 8. What's the number after 8? 9. 10. That's given. What's the number after 10? 11. How do you write 11? 1 followed by one more 1 is 11. After 11, what's the number after 11? 11. 12. How do you write 12? 1 followed by number 2 makes number 12. Yes, so I have showed you how to do the first 3. Just in the similar way, you're going to do the next 2 yourself. Give it a try. Do it independently. Don't take help. Yes, so you can complete this worksheet in your numeracy notebook and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning!